Today you will learn my best scalping strategy that will be making you profits like these on a daily basis. This strategy can literally grow your account by thousands of % in a matter of days. So make sure to watch the video all the way through to understand how you can also do this. I will also backtest this strategy 100 times on the EUR/USD chart so you can see the numbers behind it. For the backtest I will use TraderEdge, that way I can backtest 5 times quicker. You can sign up for a 7-day free trial by using the link in the description. Without any further ado, let's get into it. First thing you want to do is open TradingView and select what pair you want to trade. This strategy will work on any pair, so just choose whichever one you like. Next, select the time frame. I recommend the 1-minute time frame because that's where I've gotten the best results. Next step will be to open the Indicators tab and search for linear regression candles. Add it to the chart and open the settings of the indicator by clicking right here. In the input section, change the signal smoothing to 7. Head over to the style section and make the plot line a bit thicker so it's easier to see. After that, click OK. Now click right here and hide the normal candles. This way we only see the linear regression candles. Again, go back to the Indicators tab and this time we're gonna search for UT bot alerts. Select this one by Quant Nomad. Again, we need to access the settings, so click here and in the Inputs tab change the key value to 2. Then change the ATR to 11. And click OK. This indicator will be our entry confirmation, so when it prints a buy signal we open a long trade, and when it prints a sell signal we open a short trade. And for our final indicator, head back to the Indicators tab and search for STC. Choose the STC indicator, Better MACD by Cheyenne KM. We're gonna use this indicator to avoid a lot of false signals. So we're only gonna take longs when the line is green and only take shorts if the line is red. Now let's go over the conditions for opening a trade. First, for a long trade we need the UT bot alerts indicator to issue a buy signal. Second condition is to have a green linear regression candle that has closed above the white line. And last but not least, the STC indicator needs to be colored green. All of these conditions were met, so we enter a long trade right here. We set the stop loss just under the white line. And the target is not actually going to be set right now, but we will wait for a linear regression candle that closes red and then we will exit the trade. In this case we would close the trade for a profit right here. Now here's another example of a long trade. As you can see, the linear regression candle is green and it also closed above the white line. We also see UT bot alerts issued a buy signal right here. And finally the STC indicator line is colored green, so we enter a trade on this candle. Put the stop loss under the white line. And we will close the trade on the first red candle, which is this one. Again, we would make a huge profit. Now let's go over the conditions for entering a short trade. We will basically do the opposite of a long trade. So we need to see a red linear regression candle close below the white line. We also need the UT bot alerts to issue a sell signal. And lastly, the STC indicator needs to be colored red. All of these conditions were met here, so we enter a short trade. We will set the stop loss just above the white line. And the first candle which closes green is this one, so we exit the trade here. Let's go over one more example of a short trade. We see that there's short signal issued here, and we also have a red candle that closed below the white line. And last but not least, the STC line is red. So we enter a trade here and set the stop loss above the white line. First green candle appeared here, so we close the trade, again for a profit. Now that you know all of the rules for this strategy, I'm gonna go ahead and backtest it 100 times. The initial account size is going to be set at $1,000 and we're gonna be risking 2% of that every time we take a trade. So let's start. Alright, so I finished the back testing and here are the results. The win rate for the strategy is 65%, this is very good for a 1-minute scalping strategy, especially when it has such a big risk to reward ratio most of the time. But this is definitely not the most exciting part about it. Just take a look at the profit made after taking 100 trades. With the strategy we increased the account size by over 7,600%, meaning that our initial $1,000 has turned into $76,000. Of course you should expect these numbers to be a bit lower when trading live because of spreads and fees. And also you won't be able to take trades 24 hours a day, so you should backtest and forward test this strategy with paper money first before trading live. The profit factor is 7.63 and we had 5 consecutive wins against 3 consecutive losses. The largest profit made on a single trade was 30%. And the maximal drawdown for the strategy is only 5.88%. So definitely give the strategy a try, and I'm sure it's going to be making you a lot of money. If this video helped you, I will appreciate a like and maybe subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time.